Hello, I'm going to give you a quick demo of Sesame AI Lab's coherent speech model in just a few minutes. So to kind of level set, if you want to try this out, you need to download it, obviously. You need to be on a GPU. You need to have a Hugging Face token. Not going to get into that, but it's not too bad. The first audio snippet I'll share is this one.
I need a second cup of coffee.
You can generate sentences in just a couple seconds or so that are rather short, at least.
I need a second cup of coffee.
There's definitely a chaos factor. It's a different person seemingly every time you test it. One last go.
I need a second cup of coffee.
You can also slow it down. I think I'd change this one to be 10% slower.
I need a second cup of coffee.
I'm gonna fly through here, skip over some stuff. Then this is kind of cool. You can take an input voice and then make the voice sound very similar to the input. So in this one, there was a voice sample that I found from the Common Voice library from Mozilla. I can pull up the input file. So again, this is how the file sounded. This is not from the AI model.
This is the New Caledonian record.
I transcribed that there, and then
The weather is quite warm in summer.
so that is the same speaker, but she didn't actually say that. She said this is the New Caledonian record. One more test. Takes a few seconds to load it.
I like to go for long walks.
It sounds pretty organic to my ears. It doesn't always sound perfect, but here's another one that I found again from this Common Voice library. I'll pull up the sample to give you a sense of what it sounded like originally. Again,
This is serious stuff.
that's the non-AI version.
I want pizza.
You can make it say something different than what it said. It said this is serious stuff in the original file. I can make it say the opposite. The company warns against fraud, obviously in the terms of use on GitHub and Hugging Face.
This is not serious stuff.
And that's it. I'm not going to play this last snippet, which doesn't sound all that great compared to the other ones. But long story short, it's fun to play with. It's not as cool as the demo on Sesame AI's website. Not as powerful in several different dimensions, but still kind of fun. And hope you found that interesting.